So I've been getting a lot of questions on how I plan my weeks, and basically what I do is I set my alerts. Right? So I got these alerts here, um, and I can manage them through my phone. But basically, I set buys and sells on the 15-minute. As you can see, these all say 15-minute buys and sells. And the way that I do that, and I also set my 1 minute too, but I have the 1 minute off because I'll get too many signals. But I turn them on and off the 1 minute when I get this entry, when I get my entries for the 15-minute time frame. So what happened last night, it was Monday. This was one of the first signals that came in for the week actually. I have my settings open for pretty much all the sessions here. As you can see, we only got buys like on Sunday and the market took off. This is how I plan my weeks. I wait for my alerts on the 15-minute, and once I get alerted on my phone, I go straight to the charts. The way that you set your alerts for the 15-minute time frame, you highlight the easy entry trading system, and you press the 3 dots. It says more, and you click add. Basically, you have to be on current price. Actually, you can't be on replay mode. I was just gonna go over last night's trade. You go add alert on easy entry, and basically, once you click that, you got to make sure that it says once per bar close, and you're gonna want to do this for all 8 signals that we have on the smart signal indicator. Okay, so once you do that, you'll be prompted to, and we're getting a buy continuation here. In the next 5 minutes, this candle is going to close, so we're gonna get a confluence buy, and I should get alerted for that. Once you get alerted, right, you're gonna want to drop down on your 1 minute once you're in front of your computer. Okay, so the 15-minute is just going to tell you, come to your computer, sit down, look for entries on the 1 minute. Once you drop down on your 1 minute, right, you're going to wait for that confluence in that direction to be presented. So this is how we got our trade yesterday. We took this sell right here, right about at this candle. As soon as we dropped down, this was the next sell signal that was presented. So we entered this trade. 30-point stop loss is our stop loss for our trading system, and I entered about at the 950. Stop loss above VWAP, perfect. And we got a little drawdown, but despite the drawdown, we were able to smack our TP really successfully and nicely, as well as hit TP2 while we were sleeping. This was what, 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock at night, when both of our TPs were pretty much smacked. The first TP was smacked, as you can see, and pretty much we dumped pretty hard here. When I woke up, I was like, oh man, this trade actually took off. And that's pretty much how I plan my weeks. I really don't sit in front of the charts until I go live on stream, because yeah, this was an 80-point move that we caught last night. This is exactly how we plan our trades, yo. And yeah, so for anybody that's wondering, like, how was I able to find that move, and I just set my alerts. It told me that we were selling. I dropped down on my lower time frame, and I was able to get this 2.69 risk to reward trade. So now that I got this trade, I'm not really tripping on the opening range trade like that. The opening range trade is really like a cherry on top. It's really like a 50-50. It's really like a scalp. It's really like, I don't even, it's a cherry on top. So yeah, this trade here is the main strategy. This is the main confluence. This is the main strategy that we're going to be I might even call that I might even change the name for confluence. I'm just going to say this is the main strategy. Okay, it's not going to be as easy as waking up and seeing, you know, buy or sell during the open range trade every single day. You know, that's just going to be the cherry on the top. You know, trading is, it can be very technical, and it can be very easy as well. If you break it down simply just like this, by waiting for your alert, dropping down to your 1 minute time frame, and you could also set alerts for your 1 minute time frame. I do that too. I turn these on when I look for sells. You know, I just turn these on just so, while even if I'm in front of my computer, I just turn these on and say, yeah, I'm looking for sells right now, and then I turn them off when I'm not looking for sells. So pretty much that's how I plan my trades. That's how I plan my week. That's how I trade. If you guys want to know more about our strategy, this is the strategy that got us 60R in profit. Click the link below and I'll see you guys right on the other side. We have a bunch of people in Discord making profits on a day-to-day basis. So I really like the community and the energy that we have in the Discord, and we're all looking at the same indicators, the same setups, and it's based off of ICT and smart money as well, but we just simplified it so that we could get alerts to our phone. So I think we're pretty much done for the day. Thank you guys for tuning in, showing up and showing out. I don't know what else to say, but that's pretty much our strategy, and that's pretty much how I plan my weeks. I get the alert on my higher time frame, then that signals me to come to the desk, to the computer. Always I show up for New York market open. That's my standard session that I show up to. I'm trying to stay more disciplined because sometimes I hit my profit goal for the day before I come to New York session. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys right on the other side. Happy and safe trading, and we'll see you guys at market open tomorrow, 9:30 Eastern, every single day, live on YouTube. Peace. Rose.